Alright, if you're going to go for Google Educator Level 1 certification, just type this on the first option that you get, click on it, and then click on this option. It's another language. Go through the text on this website, read. The first step that you have to do if you are enrolling yourself is to do these three tasks. One is the exam guide, the other is the task cards, and the third part is the basic use of Google Workspace for education fundamentals. So exam guide is kind of an information that you should know that what is that they are offering. They have mentioned ISTE standards. These are standards with which the examination has been aligned with. You can see all these
The
things
time
here.
is 11 o'clock p.m.
You can see all these things over here, and the certification, the skills that you get with this are all mentioned here: create, share, communicate, collaborate, and organize. You can go through this and see what is the objective and how they're aligned with. And the next thing that you are going to do is uh, you can also go to the courses. After this, how you're going to prepare is prepare by going to the courses that are mentioned in the theory part. All right, you go on go. All right, the first one, the basic use of Google Workspace for Education Fundamentals. Click on this and then you start the course. Don't forget that the first thing you need to do is log in. Why you should be logging in? So that if for instance you're not able to complete this theory part, then you can continue it later. Although it is mentioned over here that it will only take 2.3 hours, but at times people take time in reading and then performing or doing the task that is supposed to be done. So the few of the topics are that about Google Classroom, the theory part, your school community, managing time effectively, and how you create your resources, and then measuring student progress, and then this assessment part. So these things are written and shown to you in the theory part, and after doing this you are going to go to the task cards. So you've done this, and the third part is the practical work. So if you click on the practical work, this is what you are going to see on your screen. I know this is 101, that means a lot of work is supposed to be done, but most of it you may already know. So just go through it. These are the standard again mentioned over here as they have shown in the exam guide. The first topic, there are going to be 12 topics. The first one is Google Classroom, and the tasks that you will be learning is all over here. One by one they are going to show you how it is done. Like the basic one, create a new class and give it the name. So they have shown you how to do it and written it over here step by step so that you know how to create it. All right, there may be a few that you have not done earlier, like create a rubric, provide feedback using a rubric. So learn these skills one by one by going through this. And then the second one is Google Drive. Again, the different skills that are required for your work to become efficient and and is done in an organized manner. The third is Google Docs. It's just like Microsoft Word. The skills are there: creating a doc, other things attached to it, how you transfer the ownership, version history, very important thing that you should know because this is an online document, so these things matter a lot. Then the fourth one is Google Slides. Google Slides is just like PowerPoint. You make a presentation, how you're going to present it, skills attached with it. Then Google Sheets, when you record the data of the students, that's the place you go to. It's all about numbers and data in Google Sheets. Google Chat, a very good place, a nice place for you to chat if you want to remain in your Google, under the Google umbrella. So a chatting place. Google Meet, where you can have virtual sessions. All the information is written over here. Invite a guest to meet, to a meet, how you do that, all these little things. Google Calendar, so many things that you can do uh, to again give yourself the all right, again this, and then after Google Calendar, we have Google Sites. That's number 9. It's that here you create a website about any topic that you are doing. Then Gmail. Gmail is extensively used by you, but there are a few things you should know, like how to snooze emails, thread emails, how to find something, how to compose. This is something very basic. I hope, but filtering an email that you have in your inbox but you're not able to find it, how you prioritize your inbox, these things are important. And then it's Google Forms. When you want some data to be collected, you do it from Google Form, or if you're creating a quiz for your students, Chromebooks is the last topic. And there are only two skills that are attached with it. So once you are done with this practical part, you are good to go and you are ready for to register. So the first thing you did was exam guide. The second thing you did was you learned about the theory part, and then the task cards, the practical work. Why you are doing the theory and the practical? Because when I took the tech certified course, so what happened is there were 37 scenario based questions and there were 3 labs. What is lab? Lab is actually the place where you go and you perform the task that they're asking you to do practically. For example, they may ask you to create Google Classroom and attach it at a certain place, give an announcement, give an assignment with certain due date. So these are the things that the practical side is also very important. And they give you ample time. So after knowing about all of this, you will click on register. I'm not going to register, but this is the step that you do. You sign in with the account that you're going to uh, apply it with, and then you are going to receive an email. Within 14 days you have to sit for the test for the certification, and then hopefully if you are prepared well, you will receive your certification in no time. Good luck and bye bye, and hope to see you soon with the information regarding Google Educator Level 2.